Welcome everyone! Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of organic gardening. Organic gardening is all about growing plants without synthetic fertilizers or pesticides, focusing instead on natural processes and materials. By the end of this video, you'll see how organic gardening can lead to healthier plants, a better environment, and even tastier produce. Let's get started. So, what exactly is organic gardening? Well, it's a method of gardening that avoids synthetic fertilizers and pesticides. Instead, it emphasizes natural processes and materials. This approach has a rich history and is incredibly important for maintaining a healthy ecosystem. There are so many benefits to organic gardening. For starters, it leads to healthier soil and plants. It's also much more environmentally friendly. Plus, it's better for pollinators and beneficial insects. And let's not forget, organic produce can be more nutritious. It's a win-win all around. Now let's talk about the basics of getting started with organic gardening. First, you need to choose your location. Make sure your garden gets plenty of sunlight and is close to a water source. Next, understand your soil. It's important to test your soil and improve its health naturally. Finally, select your plants. Choose plants that are suited to your climate and start with easy-to-grow vegetables or herbs. Happy gardening! Let's dive into some essential organic gardening practices that will help your garden thrive. First up, composting. So, what is compost? Well, it's a mixture of decomposed organic matter that enriches the soil. To start a compost pile, you'll need a mix of green and brown materials like vegetable scraps and dried leaves, and a bit of moisture to keep things breaking down. The benefits of composting are numerous. It improves soil structure, adds nutrients, and helps retain moisture. Next, we have mulching. There are various types of organic mulch, such as straw, wood chips, and grass clippings. Mulching helps retain moisture in the soil and suppresses those pesky weeds. Now, let's talk about companion planting. This involves growing certain plants together that benefit each other. For example, planting basil alongside tomatoes can help repel pests and improve growth. The benefits of companion planting include natural pest control and enhanced plant growth. Lastly, natural pest control. Encouraging beneficial insects like ladybugs and lacewings can help keep harmful pests at bay. You can also use organic pest deterrents such as neem oil and diatomaceous earth to protect your plants. Proper watering techniques are crucial for a healthy garden. It's best to water early in the morning or late in the evening to reduce evaporation. Make sure to water deeply and less frequently to encourage strong root growth. Pruning and training plants are also important tasks. Regularly remove dead or diseased parts of the plant to promote healthy growth and shape your plants as needed. When it comes to feeding your garden, organic fertilizers like compost tea and seaweed extract are excellent choices. They provide essential nutrients without the harsh chemicals found in synthetic fertilizers. Organic gardening can come with its own set of challenges, but there are natural solutions to address them. Dealing with pests organically can be done by introducing beneficial insects or using natural deterrents. Managing plant diseases naturally involves practices like crop rotation, proper spacing, and using disease-resistant plant varieties. Troubleshooting nutrient deficiencies can be achieved by observing your plants and amending the soil with organic matter or specific nutrients as needed. To wrap things up, let's recap the key points. We've covered essential gardening practices, proper watering and maintenance, and solutions to common challenges. Remember, it's okay to start small and learn as you go. The long-term benefits of organic gardening, such as healthier plants and a more sustainable environment, are well worth the effort. Happy gardening!